How to check offers and discounts in Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz. Once you are on the home page, look for the offers or discount section, which is usually displayed prominently or can be found in the main menu. Browse through the available promotions to see current deals on product. You can click on any offer to view the details, including the discount percentage, valid dates, and any terms and conditions. Make sure to check regularly as Uzum Market updates promotions frequently. You can also receive notifications about new offers through their website, push notifications, SMS, or social media channels. By checking offers and discount, you can save money and take advantage of limited time deals while shopping online. Now you know how to check offers and discounts in Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.